You're going to be laying completely flat, and you're just going to kind of put your hands in a push-up position. Both Will Zalatoris and Tiger Woods have both suffered disc herniations in their golf career. What a disc herniation is when the disc between the two bones starts to bulge out and hit the nerve just like that. So we see a lot of disc injuries with our golfers. If you know you have a disc injury, whether it's confirmed with an MRI or from an orthopedist, or whether you are not sure, these McKenzie exercises will help. So typically, a disc herniation is presented with pain down the one side of the leg or possibly both legs, or sometimes patients, when they bend forward, they feel really increased pain bending forward. So one tip that you can do for disc herniations is laying on your stomach. You're going to be laying completely flat, and you're just going to kind of put your hands in a push-up position. And what we want you to do is just gently push up your upper body, keeping your hips flat on the table until you can't really go anymore. If you feel pain, I want you to stop. If you feel like a restriction, I want you to stop, and then just gently go back down. And as you do this, you should be able to push up a little bit further each time. Kind of hold at the top right before the pain, then come down. And then little by little, with more repetition, you should be able to get a little bit higher. And what this is doing is it's helping that disc bulge center back into the middle of the disc and prevent it from bulging out and making your condition any worse. Ideally, we would like you to have your elbows completely straight all the way up with your back arching just like that and your hips down. But if you can't get to that, or if you're in a lot of pain, going just halfway or a quarter of the way is totally fine. Those are called McKenzie exercises, which we do with a lot of our clients or golfers with disc herniations, in addition to our decompression therapy. Our decompression table helps to separate the discs so that bulging and that increased pressure around the disc can heal, and it does a pumping motion to help the fluid inside of the disc resorb into the disc. One of the therapies we do for disc herniations. Tune in next week for some more golf tips.